Blessings. Welcome to day 9 of our 21-day awareness journey. We're dropping deeper into our mind's eye, that third eye, that clairvoyant ability to see beyond the veil, to see beyond the edges, to see, sense, feel the whispers of the trees, of your higher self, of your ancestors. What we're dropping in today is a really important skill, and it's the gateway of really accessing more of your imagination, your creativity, and these clairvoyant or these psychic seeing abilities. This isn't out of reach. This isn't for, certain people. It's literally for everyone, which is why you're here watching this. You're able to do this as well. This skill is really going to help you as you move through the rest of this journey with us and as you continue on, of sensing your aura or your energetic field, sensing your grounding, sensing, again, working with your spirit guides. So many people get blocked because they don't trust. They don't trust what they see, don't trust what they hear when it comes to these abilities. And what we're working with today is beginning to make room for you to allow your experience to begin to trust, to build a relationship to these abilities, to these realms. This is such a great foundational skill to kind of knock maybe some of the rust off or the fears or the mistrust, and to begin to just have a bit more playfulness to the skill, the ability to imagine even. That can be so thwarted in us as kids. And this is such of how do we make room, reawaken, and allow it to flow. This is so crucial to, again, developing deeper awareness, deeper intuitive abilities, and to really come home to deeper presence and joy. There is so much joy in cultivating these abilities, I find, which is why I'm here, sharing it with you all. So may this be fun. May you allow what comes. And let's dive in. Let's go ahead and get into this baby. So find a really comfortable place to sit, to be cozy, again, where you can stay alert and present as we're dropping into this today. Maybe give your body a little bit of wiggles before you settle in into the body, into the mind, the heart. Good. Okay. And as you're ready, you can gently close your eyes. If you feel safe, you feel comfortable doing that. Just beginning to notice your breath. Feeling that gentle inhale and exhale, slow and steady. Slowing down from the day. Allowing the next exhale to be full, complete, audible if you feel comfortable doing that. Let's do that one more time. Deep inhale. Full audible exhale if you're comfortable. Go ahead, feel your seat. Feel your seat bones, wherever you're seated upon. Noticing your legs, feet touching, whatever they're touching, if they are. grounding through presence, awareness of touch, feet to earth. Allowing the spine to elongate, that river of light. Filling up with deep breath in the lungs and the back body. Rolling the shoulders forward, back, and down, just really lavishing in that movement and the openness. Taking a nice gentle breath into the heart as your heart begins to open. And feeling your whole body begin to soften. Wherever you've been, whatever you've been doing, allowing yourself to be here and now, here and now, here and now. And playing with the seed of awareness, you can ask, where is my awareness right now? Finding that little seed of light. Maybe it's 3 feet away, maybe it's in the last room you're in, the last conversation you're in. Go ahead, calling it back home with intention. Come back home now. Watch it get closer to you. And allowing this beautiful seed of light, shimmering, beautiful, to sink back behind your eyes, or maybe it feels good to have it in your heart center. Choose a place. As that seed of awareness sinks back into your being, you can claim out loud or internally, I am here. I am here. See what that feels like. To have this beautiful, sparkling, shimmering seed of light of awareness within you. Good. And now we begin to play, even though we've already been kind of playing here, but with your beautiful mind's eye, with our imagination, our creativity, our clairvoyance here present and already beginning to be activated, I want you to imagine like an empty black movie screen in front of your eyes. This beautiful blank screen. Maybe you see blank movie chairs too, or maybe it's just the screen itself. And on the screen here, I want you to imagine a beautiful red rose. Notice the hue of red. Is it a deep red? Is it bright? Rich blood? What is the hue of this red that you sense or see or imagine in your sweet mind? And notice the openness of the rose. Is it a tightly open or tightly closed, or is it widely open? What is its aperture, its openness? And whatever comes to you right away, flow with that. Go with that. And I want you to notice how alive this rose is. Does it feel like it's about to die? Is it freshly new? Is it somewhere in between? Keep breathing. We're going to look at one last thing with this beautiful red rose. Almost like you could notice the texture of that petal. You can see the aliveness of this rose right before your beautiful eyes on the screen. Fabulous. Great. And in the count of 3, this beautiful rose is just going to simply fade away. In 3, 2, 1. Back to a blank screen. Magic. Psychicness. The next thing I want you to imagine is the most beautiful of yellow roses. A yellow rose upon the screen now. Taking it in. What do you notice right away? Is it the same aperture of openness? Is it a tighter bud, or is it more full, or is it the same? Play with this. What kind of hue of yellow? Is it a deep yellow? Is it super light, almost white? Something in between? And in your mind's eye, I want you to notice this rose beginning to twirl, almost like if someone had it between its fingers and could rotate this. So you could see it 360, every single petal slowly. Good. Okay, on the count of 3, this is going to disappear in 3, 2, 1, fading away. It's how much energy work. It's all about seeing, releasing, seeing, releasing. We're going to do one more here for today. I want you to imagine a flower. A flower, an earth element, maybe it's a tree, that brings you joy. That brings you joy. What appears on the screen in front of your eyes? And really opening, sensing the stretching of that third eye. What do you see on the screen, and what do you notice right away about this element? I can't see something, just imagine what feels freaking good. Paint that on your vision board here. Notice the color, the richness. Notice the elements, Is there petals and stems? Is it a trunk and leaves? Notice all parts. And notice the tiny details, the creases. Or maybe you just get the impression, the big picture. That's okay. That's great. Great. And in 3, 2, 1, it fades away. Great. There's one last thing that I'm sensing for all of us to see before we wrap this practice up. You're doing great. On the screen, go ahead and just see a beautiful white sphere, a white ball. You can notice, is it pure white? Can you not see through it? Or is it almost crystalline so you could see through it? Is it big? Does it take up the whole movie screen? Or is it a little wee small? You have to put on some glasses to see it. Noticing the complexity of this beautiful sphere. Good. And we're going to go ahead and release this in 3, 2, 1, 0. Good. We could do this all day, but we're going to go ahead and come out of this. You can slowly open your eyes. See how that felt? Maybe you feel a little bit of pressure right in that third eye zone where the clairvoyance lies. It's really natural as that muscle is developing and building to sometimes feel pressure there as it's reopening. See how this was. If it was frustrating at times, if you struggled to imagine or sense, or if you're like, Hannah, I got this, we're good, felt the flow there, amazing, and maybe something in between, please comment and let me and let us know how this was for you. If you're able to be like, yes, got that, or kind of a weird reaction to seeing a yellow rose, didn't like that. It's all information. It's all information. And this is such a great practice. You can do this at home yourself. You can drop in and imagine kind of a blank screen, and you can kind of go through the colors of the rainbow of a rose. I find it helpful to have an object to kind of shift, whether it's a rose or a sphere or a square, to play with versus just trying to see colors. So you can practice that. We're going to continue to cultivate and flex that clairvoyant, the psychic awareness through the next couple of weeks together as well. So this is a lot of fun. This is just the beginning. Again, I'm Hannah Saunders with Fluid Roots Wellness. It's a joy to sit with you all as you're all opening up. We're all opening up in greater capacities to experience our life and the beauty of it. Many blessings. See y'all tomorrow.